We are on the fourth row of the pictures. Using your background, do one double crochet in 1.5 stitches. You should have one white stitch left. This is where you're going to start your black. Do 2.5 black. Do 1.5 grey. Your first stitch should land on a black. Do 1.5 black. Do 1.5 grey. Do 2.5 black. Do 3.5 background stitches. Repeat the row on the other side. We are on the 5th picture row. Do half a background stitch. Do half a black stitch. To do the hands, you need 1.5 background or white if you chose a different background. This time you need 7.5 stitches. Do 1.5 white or background. Do half a black stitch. Do 1.5 background stitch, then repeat the row on the other side.